Hi everybody, let's do a quick unboxing of the Fractal Design Celsius S36. So, what you need? Not much. You start off with a little knife and let's see what's in the box. I must say it's a well packaged cooler. This plastic is always very satisfying to peel off because it doesn't really do much. Well, you start on the side, I guess. And turn it. Oh, that's tight. Don't know if you can see. Come around. It has all the dimensions and whatnot of the radiator on it. I must say the packaging is really nice. Good job, Fractal. So this is what you end up with. Giant radiator, 3 fans oddly placed, and the cold plate slash pump. It's a bunch of manuals there. Oh, and the manual. There's a bunch of mounting hardware. Come around. So you have your Intel back plates. You have your bracket for. I think this is the AMD one. Seems like an AM3, AM4 socket adapter. I like the sort of, can you see the shine? It's sort of the dark nickel you get with the EK water blocks, that sort of color. It's not super shiny, it's sort of dark, but it is shiny. I really like this. Yeah, that's a bit better. Backlight for your 1150X socket is just regular, it's plastic, so it's fine. And then, my god, this is a bunch of hardware. There is a whole bunch of stuff. AM4, AMD. Oh, I love these. Some cable clips with some 3M tape on the bottom. Bunch of screws, several lengths, some washers, fantastic, and some regular mounting hardware. Great. Let's see what else is in the box. So if you've seen other reviews online, these are supposed to have all different kind of lengths. The fans, cables. You can probably see that. This one is shorter already. These are about the same length, actually. No, they're the same length. They must have changed that. This might be revision 2 or something, because I think I saw originally that they were shorter length because the top of the radiator has a fan hub built in. And then you come to the radiator. Bunch of plastic. PWM cable for the pump. Pre-applied tin, and you have the radiator. It's quite a high FPI fan. Oops, sorry, I hit the mic. It's a bit harder to see through. I mean, I used to have an old Alpha Cool radiator, and that was a about 8 FPI, and this is probably closer to, I don't know, I want to say about 15 or so. Looks good though. So yeah, that's what's in the box, and you'll see what I do in the next video. Bye.